I'm gonna show you how to make these exact same emotes with Midjourney in 5 minutes. If you are unfamiliar with Midjourney, maybe it will take you 30 minutes. Midjourney also has free credits when you start with it, so you can do this completely for free. We are making the sloth face emotes today, but you can use the prompts I give you to create whatever you like. The most crucial part of the prompt is the head with multiple expressions. It will create this kind of layout with similar faces with different facial expressions. I find it best to create characters with just the head, since the emotes are going to be so small that it doesn't look good if it's a wider shot. What we are doing here is making consistent emotes. Later on you can add some accessories like sunglasses, hats or whatever to them. But this is the way to do it if you want all your emotes to look like the same character. I use this exact same method for my own emotes in my own channel. So let's start creating. I'm testing some prompts here and re-rolling the results to find something that I like. What I'm looking for is variety in the expressions. If you choose an image that has multiple expressions that are too similar, all the variations you will make will be too similar as well. After seeing a bunch of different styles, this is the one I like, so we will go with it. When you are clicking the variation button, it's best to have the low variation mode on in the settings, so the new images will have the same character. Type /settings to get the settings menu open. Once I have a bunch of emotes generated, I will put them all together in Photoshop so I can choose what I will use. If you need a good free photo editing software, you can use Figma if you don't have Photoshop. So here I have a bunch of emotes on the same screen. Now we just have to select which ones we want to use. The key is to find different kind of faces and use your imagination a little bit what you can do with them. I think this looks pretty nice. And this is like a very wholesome face. We can maybe put a heart here. Use this and put a heart here. This looks like he's thinking about something. Maybe we can do another emote which would be like a thinking bubble. Then you can put some text there maybe and use them in combination. This is kind of nice, like a very derp moment. This also is very disgusted. Then I see you can do some kind of animation, like the first frame can be he's turned in front, then the second frame is he turns right, and then on the back, and then the head just keeps getting smaller and he walks out. That would be a kind of cool animation and very easy to do. But you get the idea. I use this kind of, when I do emotes, I put them on the same screen. I generate a bunch of them and use them as the for ideas. With the AI stuff, I think it's a really big mistake to try to get the AI to do exactly what you want. It's a better approach to see what it actually generates, and generates a bunch of them. And looking at the results, it's easy to use your imagination and see what you want to do with them. Then when you have a bunch of these emotes without any items like sunglasses, hearts, hands, whatever, you can just start adding them in Photoshop. I think that's the way to go. If you do it like that, then you can easily have control over the similarities of the emotes. Like if you look at these, they are all the same. You can see it's the same character. So it's better for your brand when you and other people use your emotes. It connects with the audience that it's the same channel. So the next step is to cut the emotes out and modify them a little bit. I want to create a heart for one of the emotes, a speech bubble as a new emote, and I will make sunglasses for one of them. Here are the images I created using the same chibi style. To create accessories like sunglasses for your emotes, it's best to use the same prompt but add with sunglasses with style reference and see what comes out. The head structure and style is usually very similar, but the character is different. You can easily cut and paste the object, rotate them a little bit and put them on your existing emotes. You can do a lot with just cutting and pasting stuff onto them. I'm not gonna go much into details with it in this video, but I will show you how to do it so you'll get the idea. You can also cut the emotes out with some AI programs. I'll put some links in the description, but I personally prefer to do it manually since it's quick for me. So, while you watch me work here, please subscribe to the channel if you like the content. I'm a new YouTuber and it really helps me out and motivates me to provide more quality content for you. Also, if you like the talking rat, I also have a video about how to turn these sloth emotes into a talking sloth. I mentioned earlier that I made the sunglasses image with the style reference, and here's how you do it. You take a picture of your existing emotes, click on it on Discord, click copy link, then make a prompt like this, so it copies the style of the existing emotes. And Midjourney is gonna, if you're watching this video in the future, Midjourney is gonna create a character style reference also. So that might make it so you could create accessories to the same emote straight away without using any kind of cut and paste techniques. So look into that if it's available. I have no clue when they are planning to release it. Here is the final product. Hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.